some blueberries in our mixer and then put some sugar into the water, and for final let's put some taste from the lemon to the lemonade. First let me take a mixer bowl and now let me put some blueberries in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Let's save our blueberry for later to put on our lemonade. Now let me put a little sugar to it. I think 5 spoons are later. Let's save all the sugar for later. Now let's put the cap on. Now let's close it. Now I have blended the blueberry. I'll put a little of sugar and lemon into it. It got dirt. It's okay. But I thought, how could blueberries be purple? And it's also tasting like kiwi. No. It's so magical. A little spilled, it's okay, I will clean it. Now let's put this bowl aside and take this lemon and cut it. Before you cut it, don't cut it fully. Just take off the seeds from it and then squeeze it into your blueberry mixture. And also be careful and take any adult's help. I'll take off the seeds from it now. Like I told that time. 1 seed. Let's see if there is any more seeds. No more. Now let's squeeze some of the juice. Squeeze! Squeeze! Yes, I got it. Let's put it here. Now let's squeeze the other. Where is it hiding here? Phew! Squeeze! Squeeze! Done. Now let's put this lemon juice in the blueberry mixture. Now shake it a little before we mix it. It's done. Now let's mix it again and be ready for the pouring part, which will complete the blueberry lemonade. Now it's ready. Let's place the jar in the middle. Now let's open this carefully. Oopsie again! Oh, let's put this here. Let's put this in the jar. Let's put some water into this and shake it well so all the juice will come out to the jar. Oh. Now let's taste it. First, let's put some of the juice in this jar. Let's put this aside. Now let's put the straw and let's put the blueberry. And now the ice cubes. Now let's taste the lemonade. It's so yummy. Guys, you can try this delicious blueberry lemonade in your home, and if you want, you can just add a little lemon or sugar according to your taste. And also, bye now. Let's catch you in the next video. Bye. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell